So guys, first method, right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. After that, click on the view, then show hidden device. So you can see, after that find out audio. This is audio driver, speaker and all. Just right click to Windows update, click to update and close. Then just click to update all the speaker like that. And you can see here same do on the Microsoft sorry mic. Just update driver and then click to update and close it. Then guys, next method, uninstall and reinstall Windows Realtek driver. So same, just right click to go to device manager, extract audio and click on speaker. Just right click to uninstall driver and then click to yes it. Okay, and as it is same, you have to do that on the microphone, then install device and then uninstall it. You can see here the sound and video gaming controller. Just extract, select, then uninstall and then click and then again click to uninstall. Then you can see here it is not showing here. You just click to here, scan for hardware changes. Just single click. After you can see here the audio, the speaker and mic and sound also. After just right click to update driver, search automatically and then closed. It is same on speaker, update driver and then click to update automatically and then close it. Microphone, sorry, microphone, just right click to update driver and then closed. Next guys, check Windows services and RPC services. So click to start, type service, okay, and right click to run as administrator. Then press Windows and find out Windows update, Windows audio. So this is Windows audio and double click to select automatic. Okay, stop, start. And if it is already stopped, so guys please start your services. Okay, and then click stop. Then again select the Windows audio and then click to reset, restart. Then Windows audio endpoint, this one also, double click, select the automatic and then apply OK, and as it is same, select and click to restart. Yes. Okay, then guys closed. And then guys, next method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, run as administrator, then click to yes. Then some command, so that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.